$42,161 was invested in a bank account with a simple annual interest rate of 4.2%. After how long would there be $55,294.15 in the bank account? Let's start off with the simple interest formula. C sub n is equal to C sub 0 times 1 plus I times t times time in brackets. I'm going to replace everything here with everything I know. We'll have everything, we just won't have time. The final amount is 55,294.15, and the initial amount is 42,161. That goes here. And then we have times open bracket 1 plus the interest rate is 4.2% as a decimal divided by 100. That gives us 0.042. And then that's multiplied by time, and we want to isolate time. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of this 42,161, which is multiplying a bracket. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing. We're going to divide both sides by 42,161. When we divide the right-hand side by 42,161, it cancels this. We divide the left-hand side. That gives us 55,294.15 divided by 42161. Gives us 1.311499996, and it goes on for a while. Further isolate the t, I'm going to subtract the 1 from both sides, right? You have to do this in the opposite order of the order of operations, so I'm going to get rid of the 1, which is being added to the t. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. When I subtract 1 from the right-hand side, it's gone. When I subtract 1 from the left-hand side, we have 0.311499. Now to get rid of the 0.042, which is multiplying the t, so I'm going to divide both sides by 0.042. When we divide the right-hand side, it cancels. When we divide the left-hand side, we have 0.3114999, it goes on for a while, divided by 0.42. I kept this number on my calculator because I don't want to round. If you round, you're not going to get the right answer. Okay, so we have this number, subtract the 1 from it. Okay, so 0.3149996, and it goes on for a while, divided by 0.042, and that should be our time in years, so 7.4166 years. We could enter that as an answer, but that doesn't really make a lot of sense to us, 7.416, so maybe we want to figure out how many months we have. 7 years, full years, and then 0.4166 fractional years. I'm going to multiply the fractional part by 12. That'll give us the number of months that we have. If you had 0.5 of a year, 0.5 times 12 is 6. You have 6 months. So 0.4166 times 12, so I'm going to subtract the 7 from that, and then multiply that by 12, and that gives us 4.999999. So really, 5 months. We have 7 years, 5 months. That is our final answer. There would be $55,294.15 after 7 years and 5 months in this simple interest bank account. All right, let's go back to the program and put in our answer. 7 years, 5 months. And that's it for level 17. Have a good day.